Hello, my name is Ayesha, and welcome to Sundays in the Studio. Today we're going to be making a nature mandala. You can make yours out of things you find outside, such as flowers, leaves, rocks, stones, sticks, stems, acorns, pine cones, little shiny things you find around the house, shells, nuts or seeds, feathers, petals, bulbs. So go outside and try to collect a bunch of different things that have different shapes and colors and textures, and then we're going to use those to make our nature mandala, preferably outside on the ground somewhere. Here we go. I think in the middle I'm going to use this pod of a milkweed because I like the shape, and to make it stand up I'm going to put rocks around it. And then I think these pretty little yellow flowers would look nice around that. A nice contrast, soft flowers beside the hard rocks. What did you put in the middle of your mandala? Is it something special? Let's see. Next, I think these green leaves would look nice with white on the edges. And then I found these little glass pebbles. Beautiful. Now just look at your design and then look at what you have and see what you think would look nice. You can't make a mistake. The fun part is making it. You can make your mandala on the grass or on the floor or wherever you like. I'm choosing to make mine outside in front of the sidewalk, so when people walk by, they can enjoy it too. Ooh, now I have these. They're from a plant called a chenille plant, and they look like fuzzy, hot pink caterpillars. There's also these Aztec marigolds that are different shades of orange and yellow. I also found these shells in my house. I also have these pretty blue flowers that grow in my garden. I love the color. And then there's some petals from a rose of Sharon tree. They're light purple. I think they would look really nice beside the blue. I think the bees like this activity. I can hear them buzzing all around us. Let's see, what do we have left? I forgot. I found this tiny snail shell that's empty, and I'm gonna put it in the very, very middle on top of the milkweed. There we go. So I hope you like making a nature mandala, and you can do this anywhere, anytime. And remember, mandalas are all around you.